Just a very simple job today. Inside the cupboard here is the boiler for the property, which you can see just there. Beneath that is space for cutlery and things in the kitchen. But the spider lives here and makes its own home. As you can see, cobwebs everywhere. And it gets quite dusty down here, as you can see. There's all this on you. So what I'm going to do is put a shelf in sort of this height. Very simple. But the cutout for this boiler housing is large enough for a small fridge, really. I'm not quite sure what they were thinking. Piece of MFC, cut to fit tightly, and that will just go in there. But I cannot find my Craig shelf pin hole jig. I have no idea where that's gone. It's somewhere around, but what I'm going to do instead is use some Olly blocks, just have a fixed shelf in the same position. Screw to the sides with 6x1 screws, 25 by 3.5s. Okay, so there we are. 2 blocks either side to hold the weight of the shelf. This is actually my mum's house. She's got no idea I'm doing this little job. I spent the weekend, part of the weekend here, looking after her. She was away on holiday. I thought it was a bit of house sitting. I went to get a plate from the cupboard. I found it was just covered in dust. I thought that's no good. Also, while I'm here, the little table I made back in college, 2008, 2009, I think it was. It's my second year piece, brown oak. I'm going to show you these doors because the bathroom door has always had an issue with rubbing. You can see it was cashing on top there at some point, but these door strips basically were fitted too close, too tight of a tolerance. So what I've done in the meantime, I've offset the hinge slightly. I pulled it outward a bit away from the frame. And that's given it just enough clearance so it no longer squeaks or rubs. Because they're new build houses, MDF linings, door linings, but MDF door linings in a bathroom, this can happen. Moisture has got in here at some point and this is basically swollen it. I mean, look at this, MDF in a bathroom is not a good idea. I know it's cheaper, that's all they care about, these house builders. I don't know what happened to that. I've noticed as well on all the door frames, the door linings, you've got a bit of a gap or a crack forming beneath the head where the doorstop is. I think it's just where there's a pin in there. I can't see another pin, maybe there's one there, but one there maybe. I don't think it's been secured very well, that's my first thought, because all the frames here, they've all got this little issue. But yeah, I had to plane down or trim down the bottoms of all these doors at one point so it would clear the carpet because they were all rubbing. This one again was binding a little bit. I've offset the hinge a little bit so it's no longer proud at the front of the frame, which bothers me. But yeah, the left door's fine. It's got a magnetic catch I put on there as well because the roller catches were shit. And this one sort of just almost binds, but yeah, just there, just rubbing, but it's okay for now. I don't know, again, what the hell were they doing with this? You've gone in far too deep there in the centre for absolutely no reason. As I say, I'm not a big fan of new builds. That's enough for me knocking new build houses for now, so thanks for watching. And I'll see you again soon in the next video.